Want to create viral videos that grab attention, skyrocket views and keep people coming back for more? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to harness the power of Chat GPT to brainstorm scripts and even optimize your content for maximum impact. Whether you're a creator, marketer or just starting out, this will change the way you approach video creation. Ready to create AI generated videos with just a few clicks?
Let's get started.
To create these kind of videos, go to kling.ai and then go to AI videos here. And then I show you two kinds of video, two different kinds. The first one is text to video. At first, you will give a prompt. A cute puppy dance to a rap on the streets just like a human. He gesticulate with his hands and not his head. Good. You can write something like negative prompts here. We can leave it at first and let's see what we get. Standard mode or professional mode. Let's try that first with the standard mode, generated for 10 credits. Okay, after 5 minutes we get our video and it looks pretty cool. I like it. Just have a look here. He's doing something, but he doesn't look like a human. But okay, let's try it with the professional mode, but change the aspect ratio into 9:16. So that is better for social media, that it fits your social media video. And maybe we can change something here. Cute puppy dance to a rap on the street just like a human. He gesticulate with his hands and not his head. Maybe we can change it here. On the streets in a big city. Cute puppy and a wide shot of a cute puppy. Dance to a rap on the streets in a big city just like a human. Okay, good. Professional mode and 9:16. And then hit the generate button. It costs 35 credits with the professional mode. And after 4 minutes we get this cool little guy here, and look here, wow, I really love it. It looks pretty nice and so realistic here. Only this guy here, I don't know what he is doing here. He is walking a little bit strange, but okay. The dog looks so cute, I love it. If you like it, then go to download. Download without watermark if you have the professional plan from kling.ai. And now I show you how to create a video from the image, but at first we have to create the image. And we can use Chat GPT to create cool prompts for that. Okay, now let's say we want to see a panda bear with a Nike t-shirt is walking in New York City. And let's say you want to see it in the night lights. Insanely realistic, cinematic, 9:16 ratio. And I would then sunglasses and green. Good, and now let's go. The good thing is now Chat GPT creates also images, and we get a prompt after that if you ask him, if we ask Chat GPT for that. But at first let's see what image Chat GPT can make. Okay, that doesn't look so bad. Now we can try it out. Click on the image, you can download it here, or you can with right click just click on copy image, then go back to kling.ai, go to AI videos and then image to video and just paste the video here. So you can save a little bit of space on your hard drive, you don't have to save the video on your PC. We tried with the standard mode. And you can write a prompt something like the beer from the image is, or in the image, is walking on the streets. Keep it simple. And 10 credits, the standard mode, and hit the generate button. And now after 5 minutes we got this cool video here. And I really like it. It looks so cool. Look at that Nike logo. It looks so realistic. The logo. Click here, download without watermark if you have the Pro plan from kling.ai. Now let's try something different. You can choose now between, if you go back to Chat GPT, and you can say now, please give me only the prompt for the image you can see a realistic and cinematic image of a panda bear wearing sunglasses and green Nike t-shirt walking confidently in New York City at night. The scene features vibrant nightlights and designs. Okay, great. 9:16 ratio. Wide shot I want to see at first. And then we go to Flux AI and paste the prompt here. And then to advanced settings here. 180 and 1920 and hit the run button. And this looks so cool, this image. Look there. It looks so realistic. This also looks very cool, but it doesn't look like a real image. It looks a little bit more like like a cartoonish styled. But this one, wow, absolutely cool. And then with right click on the image, copy image, back to kling.ai, image to video, and paste the image here. Go to standard mode. And hit moment, just one more thing here at the prompt. The bear from the image is walking in the city. Hit the generate button and let's go. Now look at this video, it looks so amazing and so cool. I really love it. The people in the background and the cars, like a lot of traffic, taxis, and it looks so cool. I really love it. Like the panda bear is walking realistic like a human, and the like no-go the t-shirt, and wow. Yes, I think it is with Flux AI, it is the best solution of these kind of videos, because I always make my videos in that style. I do them with Flux AI and they look so realistic. You can have a look here on my TikTok account. I always got a lot of videos there I make here, Flux AI, and then I create the image with Flux AI and then the video on Kling AI.